In business intelligence, I did make a few models. I did kind of play with that. I was mostly interested in automated model creation,
Hmm.
this kind of self learning, automated ML, but in kind of a uh, uh, large corporation business, they don't do a lot of that kind of stuff because they have to know how every single thing works.
Right.
Um, but here we can do that kind of stuff because we don't have to do any kind of reporting on how our models behave. All we have to do is make the best model possible.
Right. Don't you kind of have to take a leap of faith when working with machine learning at some point? Because you have no direct way of saying, well, that's how a neural network works. The way I understand it, and it's like a very simplistic understanding of it, is that you put something in, and then you've got this layer or multiple layers of neural networks that data passes through, and then the output comes out. But what happens in between is like a black hole. We kind of really
Yeah,
don't know why it works the way it does, but it does work.
yeah, it's wild. And um, I've thought a lot about this, and there's different ways of learning. There's incremental learning, where you're actually reducing this the model's understanding of the state space of possible models down, and so that as you're learning, you always make a new model that has perfect predictions on everything it's already seen. Neural networks don't work like that because actually
Right.
working like that is very computationally expensive. So the neural networks are just kind of randomly searching this vast space for a model that works. And when they find one, that's great. So it is kind of a black box. You just don't know how it works. But we don't
Yeah,
know how our own minds work. So uh,
that's true. We
we
are
have
learning
faith in
more every day
ourselves.
about it, but we don't
Yeah,
know for sure. Yeah, I mean that's a very good comparison between them because you can't ask to like. There's no way that you can derive a conclusion. Oh, that's what you're gonna say based on your neural activity or something.
right.
So
Yeah,
yeah, you can't ask that from a human. You can't ask that from a machine either. We're kind of alike in that way. It's just kind of
that's
wild.
right. Yeah.
Yeah.